In this video, I'll show you how to change your mouse cursor on Windows 11. First, open your web browser and visit a website that offers custom mouse cursors. Browse through the available cursor packs and choose the one you like. Once you've found a cursor pack, click the Download button and save the zip file to your computer. After the download is complete, locate the zip file and extract its contents to a folder. Inside the extracted folder, you'll find the cursor files. Now, click the Start menu and open Settings. In the search bar, type Mouse Settings and open it. Scroll down and click Additional Mouse Settings. A new window will appear. Click on the Pointers tab. Select Normal Select from the list and click Browse. Navigate to the folder where you extracted the cursor files. Select the arrow cursor file and click Open. Once you've selected your custom cursors, click Apply and then OK. Your new mouse cursor will now be active throughout Windows. That's it. This is how you can customize and change your mouse cursor on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.